the dragon, and the little kitten. In a faraway forest, there lived a gentle dragon named Ember. Ember was big and strong, with shimmering red scales, but despite his size, he had a very kind heart. However, Ember was lonely because the other animals were afraid of him. He spent most of his days exploring the forest alone, wishing he had a friend. One sunny day, while Ember was resting by a sparkling stream, he heard a tiny, frightened meow. Curious, he followed the sound and found a small, fluffy kitten stuck in a thorny bush. The kitten looked scared, with big, round eyes, and was all alone. Ember gently used his claws to free the kitten from the bush. "Are you okay, little one?" Ember asked in his deep, gentle voice. The kitten looked up at Ember and, instead of being scared, she purred and rubbed against his leg. "Thank you for saving me," said the kitten, whose name was Luna. "I was chasing a butterfly and got lost." Ember promised to help Luna find her way home. Together, they began their journey through the forest. Ember walked slowly so that Luna could keep up, and along the way, they shared stories and laughed together. As they traveled, Ember felt happier than he had in a long time, enjoying the company of his new friend. After a long journey, Ember and Luna finally reached Luna's home, a cozy little cottage at the edge of the forest. Luna's family was overjoyed to see her safe and sound, and they thanked Ember for his kindness. Before leaving, Luna asked Ember to visit her again. Ember promised he would, knowing he had found a true friend. From that day on, Ember and Luna had many more adventures together, and Ember was never lonely again. And so, Ember the dragon and Luna the kitten lived happily ever after, proving that friendship can grow in the most unexpected places.